Hey travelers, I'm here to eat at Eat here at Disney Springs. It's the new Indian restaurant. Let's check it out. So this is a little bit hard to find, but it's over by the Disney Christmas store and the Spice and Tea Exchange. So it's kind of hidden back here if you're trying to find it. A note from the chef. They do not have mobile order right now, but they do have. It is a quick service and should be fairly quick because it's quick service. Never mind. They have a good menu, but this week I was eating vegan because my vegan friend was here. And they did not have a lot of vegan options, especially for an Indian restaurant. That's one criticism I will give of them. You get asked to tip here because I thought this was just quick service, but essentially you get full service from the wait staff. They were fantastic. So please do leave a tip. They do have some unique beverages and alcoholic beverages. So our bowls came out very, very, very fast. So this is mine. This is the paneer tikka with turmeric rice, cauliflower, and the Moilee. And then Brian, what did you get again? You got the rice.
Build your own bowl.
The
turmeric rice.
Yep.
With the masala cauliflower.
Masala cauliflower.
And the spicy.
And the Bhunna, which they said was the spiciest. All right, and then he also got samosas. Let me see the samosas real quick. Samosas, which are only listed as vegetarian because of the mint chutney. So instead of the mint chutney, you got
the tamarind.
To change it from vegetarian to vegan, he got the tamarind instead of the mint chutney. So you can do that to make the samosas a vegan option. So I've not tried it yet, but it smells like stuffing. That is the overwhelming. I've never had paneer either, so I didn't know what I was getting into. But it is a cheese apparently. So, which Brian told me, but I didn't know exactly what he was talking about. I thought this looked like tofu to me. So I've got it all mixed up. Let's try this. Are we sure that's cheese? It tastes like chicken.
Paneer is cheese.
That tastes like chicken. Huh. It's good. This tastes like a chicken and rice bowl. That is overwhelmingly. It's delicious.
And it's vegetarian.
This is my friend Brian. He's the vegan. That's why I'm eating vegan today.
So this is the white rice, the roasted cauliflower, pickled cabbage strips. There's some vegetable chutney, and this is the spicy Bhunna sauce. So if you like a kick, this is very good.
That's what my bowl is missing. It could use a kick.
You got the more mild sauce.
Yeah, I just asked what to get, and she said the coconut curry Moilee.
I mean, and this is the vegan one. The flavor is very good. It's not that salty, but it's a bit spicy with a kick, and it's very flavorful. So I would highly recommend it.
So they actually were kind enough. They brought me the Bhunna sauce because it does need a little bit of a kick, I think. And then I can actually take some of this home and use this later. You want some more?
Sure.
All right.
That's good.
So now I have the coconut curry and the Bhunna, which is the Indian curry, mixed together. And let's see how that tastes. See if it mixes well. Plus, see how the kick is. Okay, that mixed very well together. I'm still not getting a ton of... They said this is the spiciest they go. That means this is very white spicy. This is not that spicy. So, I think this is Disney spice. You'll be fine. Can I just say that the soundtrack here is pretty banging too. I Gotta Have Faith is playing right now. I'm gonna try the samosa. Oh, that's tasty. That's a good samosa. Good. So that was one of my favorite and maybe my top new quick service place that's on property, especially here at Disney Springs. The food was fantastic, even if I was eating vegan, or vegetarian, which I don't normally do. He eats it all the time, but we both loved it. This place absolutely kicked it out of the park. I can't recommend this one enough. So make sure to stop by, eat. It is hidden away, so it's kind of hard to find, but make sure to make the trip over here.